Our dealers, they're very excited. This really is a celebration of the all-new JX. And I was just outside with several of them who just drove the car. I mean, it's a product that absolutely hits in the heart of the market, luxury families. And it's a place we've never played before. So for them, it's tremendous growth. For us, it's tremendous growth. And the product is just spot on in all the aspects: safety, technology, value. I mean, it's got it all. So the dealers are extremely fired up about the future of the brand. This is important. You know, we are going to produce some vehicles here in the United States, and we've made that decision based on the strengthening of the yen. And there's no better place to build it than at Smyrna. We know the quality's there, and the quality will be there with JX. It's a great opportunity for that plant, for our corporation, frankly, to take an Infiniti product, prove our quality here, building it in the United States, and then really having a shorter pipeline to get that out to the marketplace. We expect growth in 2012. 2011, obviously we had some challenges. Had a tsunami hit us, nobody could have ever expected it. Our sales were down about 5%. By the way, a little bit better than our Asian luxury competitors, who were down more than we were. So we recovered fast, and now 2012 is all about getting on the growth pan again. JX is center of that strategy. JX is all new, it'll be all incremental volume for us. So, you know, through the JX and through continued marketing of our current products, we're going to get back on a growth path for Infiniti in 2012. We had a big presence last year. It's only going to get bigger. We're going to do more activation on ground, more overall advertising, more integration in terms of the bracket challenge. And the nice part is, it is literally the centerpiece of our JX launch. So NCAA is the target's right there. If everybody watches it, pretty much went to college, so you know there's a higher level of income in general in terms of the fans, and that's right where we need to be. Lots of families, luxury families there, and it'll be the centerpiece of our JX launch. F1's been out of the U.S. for a while, and it's got to come back here. It's literally the #1 global motorsport program. So whereas F1 hasn't been big in the U.S., it's because there hasn't been a race here. So not only we have one in Austin, but there's another one coming in New Jersey, New York as well. So finally we'll have two here. And we're a major global sponsor of the Red Bull racing team. Having Red Bull, the excitement of it, they are the world champions the last 2 years, and our tie and our promotions with them, it just takes the excitement of our brand. And you know, our brand is all about inspired performance. What a better way to represent that than Formula One?